Just a Storm by Jolly Phonics. Big, fat raindrops dripped and plopped. Drip, drop, plip, plop. Listen, listen, moaned Goat. It's just rain. It's just rain, groaned Horse. Tap, tap, tap. Listen, listen, cried Goat. It's just a magpie. It's just magpie, groaned Foal. Tick-tock, tick-tock. Listen, 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 cried Goat again. It's just Toad's clock, croaked Frog. It's just Toad's clock. At 10, Goat fell asleep. Goat snored a lot. A-E-I-O. Horse, Foal, Magpie, Toad, and Frog jumped. Is it a foghorn? Is it a foghorn? Cried Foal. It's just Goat. It's just Goat, groaned Magpie. Like, share, and subscribe to Arso Academy and hit the bell icon.